Welcome friend to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question we are having, that is, two numbers are in the ratio that is 5:4 and their differences is 10. What is the larger number? So here we have to find out the larger number, and for this we take that let the two numbers be 5x and 4x. Here in the next part in the question it says and their difference is 10. So this is the first number, so 5x, and their difference, so we take minus 4x, so this is the difference is 10. So what is the larger number? So we have to find out the larger number, but before finding the larger number we have to find the value of x. So this becomes, that is 5x minus 4x, this becomes, that is x is equal to 10. So this is the value of x. And the larger number, to find out the larger number we take the two number, that is, so the first number is 5x, so first number, that is 5x is equal to 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. So this is the first number, and the second number we are having, that is 4x, and this becomes, that is 4x is equal to 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40. So the first number we are having, that is 50, and this is the larger number. So 50 is the larger number, and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much.